You're watching Action News Now. Storm Tracker weather. Coverage you can count on.
Meteorologist Patrick Wright is here now with your forecast. So Patrick, we're seeing the return of some triple-digit temperatures, but how long can we expect them to stick around for?
For the most part in the valley, it will be sticking around for the next several days, so your ACs will be getting a workout. Looking outside right now, the sun is shining across our region, just a few clouds popping in around Butte County. That's about it. This is from the Oroville State Parks camera looking at Lake Oroville. That's going to look very refreshing, a very refreshing scene over the next couple of days. If you want to jump in the water, you can do so because it will be rather hot. It will be hot tonight, uncomfortable sleeping weather. We are remaining hot the next few days with temperatures sticking at or above 100 degrees for many in the valley, and there is a chance for some mountain thunderstorms with this pattern that is setting in. The next couple of hours, not much going on. We will see a few high clouds here or there. That'll break down tonight, and by tomorrow morning still remaining rather clear for most of our region, some clouds off to our south. As we head into the afternoon, some of those clouds begin to fill in a generally partly cloudy sky by 4:30, and this is when we could see some bubbliness occur in our mountain areas. That means a chance for some gusty winds, small hail, and heavy rain at times, so it is something to be aware of if you are heading out to the mountains. Some of those storms can pop up rather quickly and catch you off guard, so be weather aware as you are out and about if heading to the mountains. Some of these may eventually spill into the valley by tomorrow evening, so 10 p.m., that's one possibility in the North Valley. I don't know if this is going to make it to the ground. That is right now the million-dollar question. We could see some sprinkles in some places, but we could also see some virga, the wispiness in the sky. So that's something to be aware of as you move throughout the day on Monday. Winds tonight coming out of the south, gusts up to about 15 to 25 miles per hour, depending on where you're at in the valley. That'll die down nicely tomorrow, and it's a clear and calm start to the day. By 7 a.m., things start to pick up in the afternoon. This is where we could see some chances for showers and thunderstorms. That the outflow from those systems, especially in the mountains, could make its way into the valley, and that means we will see could see gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. So if you get caught off guard with that, that is a possibility, and anything that does move through the valley could create some sporadic winds near the surface, even if the rain isn't reaching the ground. So that is a possibility by tomorrow afternoon and evening. Lows tonight, down to about the low to mid 70s. Another uncomfortable night of sleeping, a little warmer than what we saw this morning, and things will be warming up as we head into the next couple of days. Highs tomorrow, a couple degrees cooler than what we're seeing today. 98 in Chico, 107 in Redding. So it will be another hot day for most places. So know your limits while you are outside. Drink plenty of water and just keep an eye on any friends, family, or loved ones that are working or playing outside tomorrow. There is a heat advisory that is in effect for Trinity County tonight and into tomorrow. Same thing with Modoc County. That does get upgraded to an excessive heat warning beginning Monday, and that'll last through Wednesday for Trinity County. Modoc County sticks with the heat advisory through the end of the week, along with the Valley having a heat advisory beginning tomorrow and lasting through Thursday for the hot weather that we're seeing. This is the pattern that's giving us this weather. Ridge of high pressure to our north, and we're seeing an area of low pressure to our south, and that is what's going to fling up some moisture into our mountains, and that could bring the chances for scattered showers and thunderstorms, and that'll pretty much stick with us for a good chunk of the week. However, that does give us a cool down by the end of this week. Here's what the numbers look like. 106 and 105 Tuesday and Wednesday respectively. So hot weather all around, upper 70s for lows. So uncomfortable sleeping weather this week. Get your ACs ready. Temperatures by the end of the week starting to cool off, down to the low 90s for Chico, mid 90s for Redding. So we have some relief on the way if you don't like the heat, but temperatures sitting right around 110 degrees Tuesday and Wednesday, and lows in the upper 70s. So be ready for some hot weather on the way. Again, know your limits and take it easy outside for this week.